Hey, this is Tim with PM-ProLearn, and I'm here today to show you how to use your course materials in the PM-ProLearn Learning Management System. The sample course I've selected to talk to you today about is Integration Management, but the instructions in this video pertain to any one of the courses. So when you log into your course, the first page you see is modules, and you notice that the course is broken down by instructional videos, presentation slides, interactive exercises, flash quiz, application quiz, and audio study files. Over on the right-hand side, you see some information that helps you through the course, progress bar, any announcements that PM-ProLearn has about the course, like maybe newly updated material. Your status as a student, you can click to rate the course and leave some feedback for future learners. And as you start to take your training, we want you to start at the instructional videos. Click into this and you'll see the videos load on this page. You can watch these videos here on your laptop screen. You can make them full screen. You can leave them the same size. You can download the Matrix LMS app to your phone and watch them actually on your phone or your tablet. So I'm going to click this video and stop talking for a minute so you can see how it runs. Okay guys, so here we go on integration management. So I want you to refer to your PMBOK page 61 as well. And you notice that the video loads and the audio plays great, and we can actually scroll the bar over and watch another part of the video to ensure success. Okay, so something to keep in mind there. And you can go back to the small view, and there's 3 videos here for integration to cover the whole knowledge area. We encourage you to watch them all. Now once you're done with the videos, you're ready to move on to the next one. We can navigate through our modules by using our left menu here or by using the next button. So I'm going to use the menu on the left here. The presentation slides, you can download these by clicking that button. They download as a PDF. You can bring these right to your own device. You can download different programs in order to take notes and highlight things in your PDF. So that's perfectly fine. You've purchased these access, so we encourage you to use it. The one thing is we want you to respect our hard work and copyright, and please do not share them with anyone. You paid for it. And we appreciate it if you would help us to maintain the integrity of those slides. So navigating to the next one, we can just click the next tab up here. It loads the instructions for our interactive exercise. I can click on the interactive exercise actually right here. It will load on the screen. And I was actually in this one a little bit earlier, so it shows 4% progress. When you log in, first time, it'll show 0. And just go ahead and click on the start here. And so this is integration management. And so I was playing around in here, and what I want you to show you is how this functions. So over on the left, you can see that it shows all the different exercises that are included for integration management. You can actually collapse this by clicking that caret, and it gives you more room on the screen. You can navigate through the questions by hitting the tabs here by going backwards and forwards that way. And as you're in a question, notice that there's a learning content that shows here. This is actually the answer key. So we want you to close that up by clicking that caret there and just utilize the material down here. So this one was, I already got this one correct. So I'm going to go to the next one. So here is and notice that the learning content stayed hidden for me that way. So here is a select as many as apply, project or triggered by which of the following. Let's go on and look at some of the other type of questions that we have. There's all sorts of interactive things. Here's a good one. This is a matching. When you get them incorrect, just hit try again. It'll reset it, right? And so matching, really cool. We can just grab these and put them where we think they may belong. And I'm just playing around here. Don't know what's correct, but that is some of the exercises that we have. And let me just click on through, show you another one, another type of question here. Okay, so here's one, a drag and drop, and we can drag and drop these items in here to make sure that we understand where these things should belong. This is the project manager plan, 16 components, and you'll learn all about that in integration. And hit submit. Of course, this is wrong because it's incomplete, but I can reset that by hitting try again. Okay, so there's a lot of great exercises in here for you to do. We encourage you to go over that. So then we have flash quiz. This is our version of flashcards. Now, there's 25 questions. We've given you 30 minutes to do that because there are 200 questions on the PMP exam and 4 hours to do that. So your average time per question on the PMP is 72 seconds. That's the timing on all of our quizzes here. And this keeps track of, have you taken it before? So I've obviously taken this before earlier today. And I've actually done this 3 times. My latest score was 4% because I only clicked 1 or 2 questions because I was showing someone how it worked. Here's the instructions, and go down and it catalogs your latest answers, right? So you can always see how you've done. So let's retake that quiz. And when it loads, notice that the timer starts out at 30 and starts counting down. If you need to see the instructions again, you can click right there. It pops up on your screen. And as you go through there, you can select the answers. And I'm just selecting some quick. Notice that these are very short questions and very short answers, right? Because this is a flash quiz. You ought to be able to do these relatively quickly. And if we went through all these and got to the end, we would hit End Quiz, but you can actually click into individual question series. So you can jump around during the quiz if you'd like. So let's hit End Quiz and let's hit Finished and see how we did. Hey, I got 2 right that I was playing around with. So it shows you which ones you got right and which ones you got wrong. And that's the flash quiz. And again, you can take this up to 10 times. Our application quiz is 20 questions and 24 minutes long. Again, that timing is 72 seconds per question. Same thing here. It tracks your previous submissions and your score. Notice here, though, this is a gateway assessment. You must score at least 75% to complete it. And what that means is in order to get your completion certificate for integration management, you must pass this quiz. Now, you've got 10 tries at it. No worries. We'll reset it for you if we need to. But once you get 75%, it will automatically give you the completion for integration. And we want you to get those for all the knowledge areas because that's when we know you finished the course and we can award you your 35 PDUs so that you can qualify to take the PMP exam. So let's go ahead and click into this one. And I just want you to see it functions the same way as the flash quiz, the same setup and functionality. But the questions are a little longer, the answers are a little longer. And let's just click through a couple of these. And I'm going to select some answers here because I want to show you the feedback at the end of these. So just notice they're kind of situational questions. Your answers are longer. And let's say that we took this entire quiz, we ended the quiz, and we say we're finished. So when I'm finished, I'll go on down here and it does a couple things for me. It shows what my response was, and it gives me some feedback on that. So it's going to tell me, hey, the project charter contains high-level information, so on and so forth. So it gives me some reasoning behind the correct answer here. And I got another one correct. If I get one wrong, let's go down. I got all those correct. So if I get one wrong, it goes down here and says, hey, this was your response right here. And here's the feedback. So you need to read that and learn, okay, that wasn't the right answer. Here's the right answer down here. Why is that the right answer? And using that's going to help you tremendously as you prepare for the PMP exam to understand the correct reasoning behind these questions. The audio study files that are included with each module are just simple uploaded versions. And all you need to do is click that arrow there. It's going to start the audio. I'll go ahead and do that real quick for a minute. Hey, this is your PMP instructor, Tim Dalhouse, here to talk to you today about integration management. Okay, so those audio files, you can play them right here on your laptop. Or again, if you download the Matrix LMS to your tablet or phone, you can actually listen to these from your phone. And a lot of people sit in their car on the way to work and connect with their Bluetooth to their stereo and listen to these through the stereo in their car on the way to and from work. Or you can go to the gym, plug in your wireless headphones and listen as you're working out or just relaxing on the couch. Good way to stay immersed in the material. So that's all of the modules here, and a quick look on how to do your course material. So you can jump around in here. You can do these modules in any order that you want, but we encourage you to start with instructional videos, review the slides, do the interactive exercises, and we have put them in order that we recommend you do these. But you can enter these courses anytime you want to, and we encourage you to come back and spend as much time in here as you can so that you can get the biggest benefit out of your mind absorbing and retaining all this knowledge. If you need any help with how to do the course or any of the material, you don't understand something, please let us know through our PM-ProLearn community support group, and go in there and start a forum and ask us some questions. We'll be glad to stay in touch with you and to help you through your training. So look forward to seeing you in the support group and wishing you good luck on your preparation training. Let us know how we can help. Thanks.